My wonderful freedom fighters, lovers of freedom all over the world, my old subscribers, those who are watching without subscription, those who are sharing in any way, in any form, we are doing marvelous work. I love you guys so much. If you're watching without subscribing, what are you waiting for? Do your sister a favor, go ahead, smack the red button, click the notification bell, so whenever we upload, you're going to be able to get the notification. My amazing Biafran people, may the peace of the Lord be with you, or may the face of the Lord be with you, or may God bless you in everything you are doing. This video is like the center can no longer hold, as you are going to hear from the former PAMSEC of Imo State and Governor Autumn. May Nnamdi cannot come out to declare Biafra for you and I, that we will be free from the shackles of Fulani. He said,
land reserves. I don't know which legal advisor advises. The Land Use Act is superior to whatever you have had in the past because it's part of the Constitution. Every land in any state now belongs to the governor. Mr. President, you can't give out any. Autumn has a right to decide who gets any land however he wants, and if he says he won't give anyone for ranching, sir, so be it. And there's nothing anybody can do about it. Besides, cattle rearing is a private business. Like vulcanizer, like carpenter, like tailoring, and it must be treated as such. I think, therefore, that we must be very tolerant of each other, and we must respect each other's right to disagree, including this right of self-determination. And our leaders must learn to go back and apologize for things they have done in the past that remain offensive to the people. And this is where I'll conclude. Gowon must apologize for the 20 pounds economic strangulation policy of his government against the people of Biafra at the end of the Civil War. Buhari must apologize for the military coup of 31st December 1983. In fact, that coup of 1983 was an act of treason, which is still punishable, because a criminal offense is punishable at all times. So it is not proper that somebody who has already committed treason before all Nigerians by overthrowing a popularly elected, a democratically elected government, is turning around to go and harass Nnamdi Kanu and the Igbo, and is trying to charge them for treason. So you abduct him from Kenya, you want to try him for treason when you committed your own here in Abuja, in Lagos. So the truth is that we must have to deal with this. Babangida must apologize for the cancellation of the June 12 presidential election. Shonekan must stop parading himself as an ex-head of interim national government, because a court of competent jurisdiction has declared his government as illegal, null, void, and of no effect since, and the man still attends Council of State. Obasanjo must apologize for bribing members of the National Assembly to the tune of 50 million naira each for them to give him support for third term. Because these people cannot continue to parade as statesmen when they have done very heinous things.
My brother, I tell you, say the thing where Nigeria don't get into, I think it's even worse than Afghanistan. And it be like say the government where they on top, they also be part of the thing where they happen to us, because they know they talk. And I keep saying, look, if government show say it get power to stop Igboho and stop Nnamdi Kanu, why government no get power to stop bandits where they say they kill us here? And they don't come and go talk say, now this government bring them in 2015. Say make them come help them do election. After election, they don't abandon them. So then they look for money where they go chop and continue with their life. Our current leaders where they for Aso Rock, for presidency, they get hand into it. We get problem for Nigeria. And as long as our people keep quiet, I tell you, say, one day, they say this unknown government will be Fulani bandits. They go come take over villa. They go come take over government house. they go come take over every place. Bow and arrow not be offense for our constitution, but AK-47, AK-49 and machine gun and all those ones are things. But the thing where they ask, they say iPod, they were using pump action. They go catch them. Those one too, government no say make them do them, but they go catch them. But why is the thing they say Fulani men they use AK-47, they use AK-49, they use machine gun, they use explosives, and they no fit catch them. Then see allow them. Then they go kidnap our children. Then they go kidnap our people. Then they go do all kind of atrocity. But they leave them. I don't talk to Mr. President say make he declare these people as he did to iPod. Say they be terrorists. The man no gree do. President too. He carry the same oath of office. Say he go defend all Nigerian people. But the thing where president they do now, they defend only Fulani people. They are just killing us. As I talk to you, they continue to kill us. And president know where these people dey. They go say they are unknown government. One day there will be unknown president and unknown governor, unknown minister, unknown this. This is where the country they go. And Fulani people don't talk say look, they want they won't carry this country, make it become their own. Make them come and say they Fulani too. Now then get Nigeria. But he can brand iPod, say they be terrorists. He can stop Igboho from the southwest. Why he not do the same thing where they do? Now my evidence with that. The president is part of the thing. They do the thing. He sabi the thing. Why president they only give appointment to Fulani people? People will be prominent Hausa. They don't tell me say look, my brother, this is way they do. You're fighting for us too. What did they go invite them to do? When Gumi talk, did they invite him? When other people will talk, did they invite them? It is the thing don't they clear say this government, it no mean well for this country. If you accept to be their slave, even me, if I accept that I will be their slave, they will give me appointment. They give my people appointment. The press handler or Mr. President, the man a lie they talk now. I think that him they will give him name saying a lie Muhammad. Make it a lie, waka anyhow. You not see the thing where the man talk. He say Ebonyi they don't give him 6 billion. The governor there don't deny say he don't get any 6 billion. So that man, I suspect say he dey on something where we no sabi.
Thank you for watching. If the video interests you,